everybody. This is Steve Hess, Director of User Experience at OpenBOM, and I would like to introduce you to an exciting new feature of OpenBOM for Fusion 360. So before I do, I want to kind of tell you, give you a little background. This is typical for me. I've got a nice design that I just finished in Fusion 360, but the names and part numbers and descriptions of some of the parts are not what I want them to be. Furthermore, I'm kind of ready to release this to others in my company, and I want to update all of these names so that they follow my company standards. So let's say look at receiver, for example. It's got the right part number, but it doesn't have the right name. It doesn't have a description. And same with this part here. Maybe I don't have the right part number. Maybe I have the description, but not the right name, etc. So I can go through each one of these parts and update all those in Fusion, or I can create a bill of material and using OpenBOM, key in those values right here in the grid. And so you can see that I've done that. I've got the names typed in the way that I want them. I filled the descriptions for each one of the parts. And now I'd like to introduce you to this new command that's up on the toolbar, Update CAD Properties from BOM. So I'd like for you to kind of pay attention to the names of the parts over here in the list. And I'm going to go ahead and update from OpenBOM. And I get a notice that says three components were updated, and now my list of names for here on the left is exactly how I'd like it. And if I dive down into each one of these and take a look at the properties, I'll see that I have the right part numbers and names and descriptions as I've filled them out here in OpenBOM. So as a nice new feature, update CAD properties from BOM. Bring those properties into your Fusion design. So I hope you enjoyed that. As always, we'd love to hear from you at support@openbom.com.